Hey guys, this is Stephanie with MarineMax St. Pete, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2026 Sea Ray 32 Sundancer. So this one was ordered in the Horizon Gray gel coat color with the 400 V10s by Mercury. This is a 5.7 liter, so very fuel efficient, very quiet, and it'll push this boat in the low 50-mile-an-hour range. So you've got the gray sea deck on the aft deck here. We've got a hatch here for your cords with your battery switches, and we also have a trunk for storage, and you can put inflatables down there, chairs, tents, all perfect, will fit perfect for the beach days. As you make your way in, you'll find a Fusion stereo head along with a freshwater sprayer and a doggy door here. Right, so perfect social zone right in this area. This is finished with the stone interior. And we also have your table here that has a teak overlay, kind of hard to see in there. Also sinks down and you can fill it in for a nice day bed. As you look up, you'll find your actuated power shore shade. You've got your switching right here just above the Corian countertop on the summer kitchen. So we've got freshwater sink here. You've got your Kenyan grill, trash, and a pull-out refrigerator. So throughout the boat, you'll see plenty of courtesy lighting. You'll see this one has LED light strips, so you can change the zones. It can go along with the music. You can make it a different color here as well as up on the bow. This boat is also equipped with AC. So you've got AC here in the main area as well as down in the cockpit. Couple things to pay attention to on this boat. So there's a couple different variations you can order as far as the windshield. So this one is going to be your open coupe. So coupe meaning you've got your full windshield up front with the open sides. There is also isinglass that'll zip this whole cockpit in. So you can also order this with a half height windshield or just full glass as a full coupe. So moving forward, we're going to have a look at the bow access. You've got another door here along with your glass enclosure. As we make our way forward, you'll see that this is an amazing social zone. So this is really the perfect, day boat. You can use this to go to the sandbar for entertaining, to go to restaurants. We've got 3 full-length adult loungers. We've got cup holders, speakers, Fusion stereo system with the armrest, and then there is a table bracket up here as well that's optional. We've got access to our windlass, and then we also have a spotlight up front. As we make our way down into the cabin, you will find the V-berth forward, along with your TV, plenty of natural lighting, and of course your table that rises and falls, so you can use it as a dinette or a secondary bed. Around the corner you'll find your systems panel. Plenty of storage on this boat and plenty of room for the taller people in the head. So you've got a wet head there along with your freshwater sink and some more natural lighting. Twin beds ahead of you that do join optionally for a queen. And of course more storage down below. You'll also find an additional refrigerator and a microwave as you make your way up. And lastly, up here at the helm area, you've got seating for 4. This backrest does convert, so you can sit forward or backward. Again, we've got a ton of lighting up here. We've got it in the roof. We've got it in the Fusion stereo speakers, again, and back here behind the dashboard. So we've got twin flip-up bolsters up here at the helm. The seat does move forward and backward. You've got adjustable steering on the wheel. We've got your twin 12-inch Simrads. It's going to tell you everything you guys need to know about your boat. We also have your backup switches down below. Your Fusion stereo system that is Bluetooth capable. You've got a VHF down below, access to your spotlight. And then of course you've got your throttles with your push start and your joystick piloting. If you guys want to learn more about this boat or any of the other boats we have here, reach out to us, MarineMax St. Pete. My name is Stephanie.